Hello again, and thanks for rejoining. John O'Connell from CW Applied Technology here. As I was saying yesterday, we are seeing lots of changes coming into manufacturing now, and the whole dynamic in manufacturing is changing, and where orders are going to be placed is changing. And manufacturing, I believe, is going to come back into Europe and US in a much bigger way than it has been over the last 20 to 25 years. But it's going to be a very different approach and very different type of manufacturing than we were doing 25, 30 years ago. As well as that, I was saying yesterday how our 2-second improvement program that we've been running for the last 4 months now has given rise to what we call our QRC program, Quality, Responsiveness and Clarity of Communication. And it's around quality that I want to talk to you today. I mean, what do we mean by quality? You know, everyone talks about quality. We want a quality service. We have a quality product, and so on. You know, in the Western world, certainly we have certification and standards around everything. You know, whether it be ISO standards or product-specific standards, medical standards, so on. There is a certification on a wall somewhere that says, you know, we manufacture a product to a standard that satisfies the requirements of this particular standard. But perhaps the only country in the world that doesn't really talk about quality as such and never promotes quality in its advertising, yet whose name is a byword for quality, is Japan. I've become absolutely obsessed with Japan. You know, 6 months ago I didn't realize I needed to go to Japan, but it's now absolutely on the bucket list. And I'm obsessed with companies like Toyota, Hawks, various other companies, and the transformation that they have been doing, and in Toyota's case for 50 plus years, and it's unrelenting, continuous improvement. They're never satisfied. They're always improving, and they do so with the full engagement and energy of their people. And that obsession, my obsession, if you like, with Toyota is starting to spread now, as you'll see one of our videos coming up shortly. Over the next couple of days, I've taken a series of videos of improvements we've made during January, and where you get to meet some of the people on site here with us and see the improvements that they're making. And the journey we're on is absolutely fantastic. One of the key things we've taken from Toyota is they stop the production line every time an operator finds a production fault or a fault. And the line does not resume until either A, that fault is fixed on all vehicles, or the vehicles in which it cannot be fixed are removed from the line. The root cause is addressed and the line resumes. We have taken exactly that same approach here, and production lines now stop as soon as any problem is detected. We operate a one-piece flow where previously we used batch production. And as you see, that's not the only type of improvement action we've taken from Toyota. We're devouring, or I'm devouring at least, everything I can read about Toyota and Toyota production system, Toyota principles, etc. at the moment. But in this short video coming up now, you'll see I'm not the only one. So Nathan, this is one of your favourite improvements from January.
Yeah, this is our brand new machine, the TWS. And Toyota have a saying actually that we took on board, that a new machine when it comes in is at its worst possible condition it could be without continuous improvement. So straight away I noticed that the breaker here, whenever you touched off it, if I was working here and I needed to go here, any slight touch would knock it off. So we bought a breaker cover, put that on straight away. That saved the machine loads. Then this holder for tools and bits and pieces that you need was only here, so if I was on this side of the machine I had to walk around. So what we did was got a spare coat that we had in the factory and added it on here to the cover plates.
Perfect.
So it gives access to the tools. Yeah.
Brilliant.
So the machine's looking better than new.
Thanks, Nate. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. So if our approach to quality, that continuous, unrelenting drive to continuously improve everything involved in the process, appeals to you, and you can see how your product might be manufactured in such an environment, then we would love to talk to you. Again, as yesterday, contact details on the final slide, and talk to you tomorrow.